Okay, here's the beginning of the trail. There is a bathroom. Stinkiest bathroom in the whole world. And then the trailhead. It is now a fee site, so you have to make sure that you pay the fee for the day, or if you have a pass. I just put mine in my windshield. It took me about an hour and 15 minutes to get in and about 50 to get out. And there's the parking lot. Once the parking lot's full, that's it. You can't park anywhere on the side of the road, so you have to make sure you get here and get a spot. There's auxiliary parking further up the road, but then you have to walk in like a mile. So, all right, enjoy the trail. Okay, so I get to follow this river upstream until I get to the hot springs. Woo, that was nice and cold water though. So I get to go all that way for about another half hour, about 2 miles. Okay, I'm still going upstream, but also uphill. So I want to get back in the water just a little further and I'll be in the hot springs. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's starting to rain on me while I'm hiking. I have the water running next to me, but also the rain. Feels good. Okay, I'm hiking a bit more than I remember hiking last time. I think I'm like an hour into it now. But the rain stopped. And I have a protein shake, so that helps. Okay, this trail has been slightly uphill the whole way. And I'm now just starting to smell the sulfur. So I think I'm getting closer. But man, it's beautiful in here. Okay, here we are, the hot pools. Somebody's kind of like man-made these, like dammed them in. But it gets even hotter the closer you get to that waterfall. Alright, here we are, we made it. That took me about an hour and 15 minutes maybe to hike in, but I made it. Okay, we're gonna see how hot this is. Okay, this one's warm, not too hot. Definitely do this. We'll try one further up a little bit later. Okay, there's this sign behind me. I don't know if you can see it. Let me turn the camera around. It says, "Get naked." Okay, that is hot, hot, hot. Like I can't even step in that, it's so hot. Oof, coming straight out of the mountain right here. So flippin' hot. I can't even step in it. Oh, that is hot. It's like boiling hot, literally boiling out of the ground. Oof. Let's see if this one's hot or cold. That is burning hot. Boiling hot out of the ground. This one goes down. The waterfall. So there's hot. There's the waterfall. Oh, that water's cold. So weird how it's hot and cold. last time I was in here at Fifth Hot Springs, I wore my smartwatch in here and my necklace, and it turned my necklace black and it dissolved my smartwatch completely, just like pulverized it, so it just completely fell apart because of the sulfur. So this time, watch off, you can see my watch tan, and my silver ring has turned black. My necklace off. I usually have the same necklace on that my sisters gave me, and I took it off this time so it wouldn't turn black. And then the waterfall's over there.